Hey, beautifuls, Ashley Desires, and honey, we are here again with another fantastic, amazing, iconic install. This is my client Isis, and honey, we'll be installing a lace front wig from Beautyful Desires. The best hair ever. This is a lace front wig, deep wave, 14 inches, and she requested for a blonde patch, so that's what we did, and it just looks so cute, so Remy Ma-ish. Are you dumb? But yeah, right now we are just braiding up her hair. I don't really do that many braids for Lace Front Wig because it's really not needed, but I just do like, maybe 4 or 6 depending on how I'm feeling that day. And now we're gonna make a new scalp for my doll, my baby. And we're just doing this so it can be very flat, not noticeable. We don't want her hair peeking out through the lace, and also we're trying to protect her hair. So that is what I use the stocking cap for, because I just want to make sure that this install looks flawless every single time I do an install. You know what I'm saying? The glue that I use is from Jesus. I can't tell you all my secrets. But the glue that I use is from Jesus, and I just make little dots and I smooth it out. You don't want the glue to be too thick, because if it is, it ain't gonna dry properly and it's not gonna look good. So you want to make sure you smooth it out, and you smooth it out correctly. Okay. So now that I am done letting that glue dry, honey, I get that lace and I'm putting it onto my client right now. And you want to make sure that this lace is melting. If the lace is not melting in their skin, you are doing it wrong. You want people to be like, oh my God, are you half Brazilian? And you be like, yeah. But tell them to book with me. I don't want you to not let them know. But yeah, you want it to look very realistic and very nice, very flawless, very natural. And that is, oh, that's a clean lady. I love her so much. She's so nice. But yes, honey, just making sure that it looks flawless. And I'm cutting off the excess lace that I do not need for this install, because obviously it's excess lace. Now, honey, do you see those baby hairs? Oh my God, I feel crying because it just looks so pretty. Oh, I need an applause. Now, I'm setting these baby hairs with my Beautyful Desires soap head wraps. Yes, soap, honey. And you can order them when you click the link in my description box. I'm telling you, they're amazing, especially when you set your baby hairs. You can literally use this hair wrap for any look, any type of style you want to do. It helps a lot. Now, my client, she wanted her hair with her lace front wig to be cut into a bob, and a blunt cut bob at that, and a asymmetrical blunt cut bob. I love the outcome of this bob because it looks so pretty. And this is, like I said, 14 inches of my Beautyful Desires lace front deep wavy hair. Okay. And the way how this hair fell and the color and the patch literally was amazing. And I'm just so proud of myself because it looks so good. And look how happy she looks. She said, you say she laughed. Okay. But look at her reaction because it's so funny.
Girl. Ooh, what's a lace?
Sus,
What's a lace?
what's a lace?
Girl, period.
Trust deals.
Stiff one. Stiff one. Period. I love it. Period.
Oh my God, she looks so cute. And this is her birthday hair, so we had to go all out. I had to make sure it was flawless. Period. Trust deals. So remember, if you need to book an appointment, click the link in my description box, honey. If you need to get the hair, click the link everything is the link in my description box. Okay. But this looks so cute on her. Thank you all for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, comment, like, and share, and follow me on Instagram at Beautyful Desires. And I'll see you guys in my next video.